Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about B block elements 2. Already we have discussed the B block element first. The B block element 2, the first two groups, boron and carbon is discussed in previous class. Today we are going to know about the remaining groups of the B block elements. The first two groups, namely boron and carbon, is already discussed in previous class. In this unit we have to learn the remaining B block groups, in which the group 15 having the nitrogen group elements occurrence. The nitrogen is obtained as a dinitrogen gas. It is 78% in Earth atmosphere. It is present in the earth crust as a sodium nitrate and potassium nitrate. Earth crust, the nitrogen is obtained as a sodium nitrate and potassium nitrate. The second one, phosphorus. It exists as a phosphate, fluoroapatite and chloroapatite and hydroapatite. And the others elements, arsenic and antimony and bismuth as sulfides are not a very abundant. Preparation. It is a principal, nitrogen is a principal gas of atmosphere. It is 78% is from industrially it is prepared by liquidal air by the fractional distillation method. Industrially nitrogen is prepared by liquidal air through the fractional distillation method. The pure form of the nitrogen is prepared by thermal decomposition of sodium acid about 575 Kelvin. We are getting pure nitrogen. The equation sodium acid 2Na(N3) is decomposed to give 2Na plus pure nitrogen. Nitrogen is a rather inert and chemically inert. நைட்ரஜன் வினைத்தன்மை அதிக மந்தமாக உள்ளது இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு தனிமமாகும். is due to high bonding energy. அந்த மந்தத்தன்மைக்கான காரணம் high bonding energy, அதிகமான பிணைப்பு ஆற்றல் உடையது. high bonding energy of the molecules. It act as a donor. இது நைட்ரஜன் donor means எலக்ட்ரானை கொடுக்கக்கூடியது. donor means எலக்ட்ரானை கொடுக்கக்கூடியது. preparation of ammonia from Haber process. In this process the process are happening at high pressure at optimum temperature. Presence of ion catalyst. The nitrogen react with hydrogen to give the ammonia. Nitrogen react with hydrogen to give ammonia. The enthalpy of formation is minus 46.2 kilojoules mole power 1. Use of nitrogen. The nitrogen is used to manufacture of ammonia. ammonia தயாரிப்பதற்கு நைட்ரஜன் மிகவும் பயன்படுகிறது. and also is used to manufacture of nitric acid. Its molecular formula HNO3. and nitrogen is used, the liquid nitrogen used in surgery, cryosurgery and biological preservation. biological பொருட்களை பாதுகாப்பதற்கு, உயிரியல் பொருட்களை பாதுகாப்பதற்கு, பதப்படுத்துவதற்கு பயன்படுத்தப்படுகிறது. and ammonia, next one we are going to know about ammonia. The ammonia is formed by hydrolysis of urea. Ammonia is formed by hydrolysis of urea. Urea having the molecular formula NH2CONH2. It undergoes the hydrolysis. Urea undergoes the hydrolysis to give the ammonia and carbon dioxide. The ammonia preparation takes place from the lab. How will you, question may be asked, how will you prepare ammonia from the lab? We have to answer the ammonia prepared from the lab, the sodium ammonium salt on heating with the base calcium oxide to give the calcium chloride and ammonia and water. It is a very important question. Question may be asked, how will you prepare ammonia from ammonium salt? You can answer simply the salt of ammonium is treated with the base to give calcium chloride and ammonia and water. And the structure of ammonia. The structure of ammonia is a pyramidal in shape, and the structure recorded as a tetrahedral with 3 bond pair of electron and 1 lone pair of electron, 3 bond pair of electron and 1 lone pair of electron. Its hybridization is sp3 hybridization takes place. These are the structure of ammonia. Preparation of nitric acid. Preparation of nitric acid using the Ostwald process. Very important question. Preparation of nitric acid using Ostwald process. The molecular formula of nitric acid HNO3. Ammonia from the Haber process. Haber process il தயாரிக்கப்பட்ட அமோனியாவை is mixed 10 times of the air and is preheated and then passed into the catalyst chamber. Passed into the catalytic chamber. The catalytic oxidation of ammonia resulting formation of nitrous acid NO. Nitrous acid. The ammonia is oxidized to give nitrous acid plus water and water. The nitrous acid is oxidized to give nitrogen dioxide. The nitrogen dioxide is passed through the adsorption tower. It reacts with water to give nitric acid. It is very important. The nitrogen dioxide is passed through the adsorption tower. It reacts with water to give the nitric acid. Its equation is given below. The 6NO2 plus H2O to give nitric acid and nitrous acid and water. Uses of nitric acid. We are going to know about the uses of nitric acid. The nitric acids are used as oxidizing agent and preparation of aguar is ராஜத்திரவங்கள் தயாரிப்பதற்கு பயன்படுகிறது. ஆக்சிஜனேற்ற காரணியாக பயன்படுகிறது. And second point, the salt of nitric acids are used. Salt of nitric acids are used in photochrome. Example, silver nitrate and the sodium nitrate are used as a gunpowder, the firearms. These are very important. Uses of nitric acid, very important. 2 more questions may be asked in the topic. So, nitric acids are used as a remaining, I am telling again, the nitric acids are used as a oxidizing agent. First point. Second, it is preparation of aqua regia. Third, the salt of nitric acid used in photography. Example, silver nitrate. And fourth one, it is used in gunpowder, firearms, sodium nitrate. Next one, next topic, the allotrophic form of phosphorus. Allotrophic form of phosphorus. Already I told in previous class, the allotropes means an elements having more than 2 structure in the same physical state is called allotropes. Again I am telling, an elements are having more than 2 structure in the same physical state is called allotropes. Here examples are given. The phosphorus has the allotropic modification or white phosphorus and red phosphorus and black phosphorus are most common. The white phosphorus is a colorless but the pale yellow color. Sometimes it is a pale yellow color due to formation of the layer of red phosphorus upon the standing. Hence it is known as yellow phosphorus. It is a poisonous in nature. The white phosphorus glows in a dark due to oxidation of it, which is called phosphorescence. From this topic, a very important question may be asked: define phosphorescence. You have to write the answer. The white phosphorus glows in the dark due to oxidation of it, which is called phosphorescence. It combustion in air to give the phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus has a layer structure and act as a semiconductor. Phosphorus has layer structure and as a semiconductor. Its four atoms in phosphorus have as a polymeric structure. It has a polymeric structure with the chain of P4 tetrahedral structure. The phosphorus multiple bond is a less stable. Phosphorus multiple bond is a less stable than phosphorus and phosphorus single bond, because phosphorus linked through the single bond rather than triple bond. Its another allotropes are scarlet and violet phosphorus are known as phosphorus. The yellow phosphorus catches the fire in air, giving a fumes of white phosphorus pentoxide. And then we are going to know about the reaction of phosphorus with chloride. The phosphorus react with chlorine to give phosphorus trichloride. B4 6Cl2 gives 4PCl3, and the phosphorus react with excess of chlorine to give phosphorus pentoxide. The equation is written: B4 10Cl2 to gives 4PCl5. And the next topic, phosphorus react with alkali. In here, the phosphorus is on heating with alkali in inert atmosphere. Inert mean manda nilamayil. Inert atmosphere, it gives phosphine. Phosphorus react with the base sodium hydroxide and water. It gives the phosphine, BH3 phosphine and sodium hydrogen phosphide. And for next topic, the phosphorus react with acid. Phosphorus react with acid. The acid is oxidized. Acid is oxidized to phosphorus to give orthophosphoric acid. The question may be asked from this topic: how will you prepare orthophosphoric acid from acid? You have to write: the acid is oxidized to phosphorus to give the orthophosphoric acid. Uses of phosphorus, very important lesson. Uses of phosphorus. First one, it is used as matchboxes. It is used matchboxes and production of alloys, and these are very important. The uses of phosphorus. Phosphorus used as a matchboxes and production of alloys. And next we are going to know about phosphine. Its molecular formula BH3. It is a most important hydride of phosphorus. It is a most important hydride of phosphorus. Its preparation: the phosphorus react with sodium hydroxide with water to give sodium hydrogen phosphide with phosphine. And another method of preparation of phosphine for the pure sample. So in this reaction, orthophosphoric acid is heated. It decomposes to give orthophosphoric acid plus phosphine. And another method of preparation, phosphine from phosphonium iodide. The phosphonium iodide is treated with the base, any one of the base. It is called sodium hydroxide. It gives phosphine and sodium iodide plus water. It is a very important question. The question may be asked like that: how will you prepare phosphine from phosphonium iodide or phosphonium salt? If question is asked, you have to write the answer. The phosphonium iodide treated with the base T-compost to give phosphine plus and other products are obtained. Another method from metallic phosphorus. Metallic phosphorus. In the metallic phosphorus, react with any kinds of mineral acid or water to give the phosphine and Lewis acid. It is called AlCl3. It is called Lewis acid. Next topic, formation of phosphonium salt. This is very important question. Question may be asked in 2 more questions. Formation of phosphonium salt. Phosphonium salt. The phosphine react with halogen acid. Halogen acid, any kinds of halogen acid. We are taking here hydrogen iodic acid to give phosphonium salt, BH4I. Formation of FeCl5. Formation of FeCl5. BH3 react with chlorine to give FeCl5 and 3HCl. Next topic, formation of coordination compound by Lewis acid. The Lewis acid BCl3 react with phosphine to give coordination compound Cl3 and boron plus phosphine. It is called coordination compound. Next we are going to know about the structure of phosphine. The structure of phosphine, it has sp3 hybridization. Hybridization takes place s orbital and p orbital, and there are 3 bonding pair and 1 lone pair of electron. It is like a pyramidal shape. These are the structure of phosphine. Again I am telling, the phosphine has sp3 hybridization 1 point and 3 bond pair, 1 lone pair of electron. Third point, it is a pyramidal shape. Next topic, uses of phosphine. We are going to know about uses of phosphine. Is used for smoke screen and large smoke in a ship. The mixture of listen, it is very important. 3 more questions from the topic. The mixture of calcium carbide and calcium phosphide. Mixture of calcium carbide and calcium phosphide liberates phosphine and acetylene. It is thrown into the sea. It liberates the phosphine, catches the fire with the help of acetylene. The burning of gases serves a signal to approach the ship, is known as home signal. Again I am telling to understand, the mixture of calcium carbide and calcium phosphide taken in a carburetor coals box. It is thrown into sea. It makes a phosphine. It liberates phosphine and acetylene. The phosphine catches the fire with free air and is ignited by the acetylene. The burning of gases serves as a signal to approach the ship, is known as home signal. Thank you for watching. ஒன்று முடிச்சிருக்கேன்.